Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're here with my friend Jennifer's beautiful Mojito Green Rubicon JL. Today we're going to be installing the Jtops USA sunshade onto this. So let's take a look at it and get after it. Alright, the first thing you need to know when installing this is it's got this black strip all the way across the top of it. This black strip, you have to insert it fully into the header up here to stay in. It's designed with these magnets, and these magnets, once it's fully compressed into that header, will hold this tight and in place. Alright, once you have that fully in place, you want to just start rolling this back to the next bar, and then the magnets will hold it in place there. And then you go ahead and put together the first straps to hold it in place. Alright, now you just want to continue to roll the J-top all the way to the back of the Jeep. And then there's straps here on the sides. They've got these really nice rubber tabs to just protect your roll bar so that it doesn't get all strapped up. But go ahead and strap in the back strap and it'll just hold everything snug and in place. Alright, once you've got that strapped in, you're going to go back up to the front, and you're just going to work your way from the front back. As you're tightening the straps, just pull back on the sunshade to release any slack that may be in it and just get it all snug and tight. Now that we've got everything snugged down, you want to go back, just fully tighten them all. The nice thing is with this J-top, they do have these little rings on it that you can take the excess strap, tuck them up inside of it. So as you're going down the highway in windy conditions, you don't have these straps flapping around and making a whole bunch of noise. Just fits everything in there just real nice and tight. Really an outstanding product. And there you have it. Just like that, the top's on the vehicle. You're ready to go out and enjoy your day. As always, thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.